With an explosion in the popularity of anime, there are now tons of places to watch these captivating shows, from streaming giants like Netflix or Hulu to mobile-friendly niche platforms. The anime world is at your fingertips. Don't have a subscription to any of the streaming services that offer anime? Well, no worries. There are plenty of apps for iPhone and Android where you can indulge in your favorite anime hobby absolutely free. So let's take a look at the best free anime apps for your on-the-go anime fix. First up, we have FUNimation. Known for the US distribution of anime, they've entered the streaming game too. You can enjoy free anime with ads or opt for a premium account. Catch popular shows like Attack on Titan, One Piece, Cowboy Bebop, and more. Are you a fan of retro classic anime? Then Retro Crush is your go-to app. Packed with older anime series, the app also features a 24/7 live stream of old anime shows. Some content is only for registered users, but hey, registration is free. Up next is Tubi. It's a completely free app with a vast library of TV shows and movies, and a commendable selection of anime titles. Ads pop up during streaming, but it's a small price to pay for the amount of free content you get. Lastly, we have YouTube. I bet you didn't think of that, right? You can find episodes of popular anime like Death Note, Naruto, One Piece, and more. You don't need to sign up and you can watch for free. And many of them are legit uploads from the original creators. You might be surprised by the number of complete series you can find right here on YouTube. And there you have it, folks. All the best free anime apps to get your fix on iOS and Android for free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more online tech tips content. See you next time.